Untanzi is really worried about Umakhumalo. He even went to her house to visit her, but Umduduzi thinks he's just faking it. Lungelo continues to scam money. He was now even offering to do umsebenzi kaNkosinathi. But Lethokuhle exposed him in front of the whole family. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Itonga. So Untanzi is really worried about Makhumalo simply because Makhumalo collapsed in front of her and so he's worried is she okay? But Umduduzi is like, hi man, how does she just fall sick just when we demand 30% yethu? She's faking it. Uyayigulisa lo muntu. But Untanzi believes ukuthi ugula ngempela. Ayanda is also worried about her mom, benomahlophe. But umncane bayazi ukuthi they're doing this to ukuthi bayakwazi uhe Untanzi. Umakhumalo is now thinking ukuthi hayi bathi lo muntu akusebenza kakhulu manje, it's like uyokufuna ngempela. But Umakhumalo also, I'm going to keep it up. Mekele nje akhathazeka, I'm going to keep it up until I get really close to him. And then uMahlophe tells uSanele ukuthi yazi ayoblema wena ukuba ngokugula kwama wakhe. Phela she thinks that it's because you've been stressing her out. uSanele now feels bad and goes to see his mom. And Untanzi then gets a call from uMbongeni emtshela ukuthi hayi uMakhumalo is fine, she's home. Because it's like, siphi isibhedlela so can go see her, but no, she's at home. Udokotela umenza ama-visits la ekhaya. He's shocked ukuthi hawu umuntu uyacollapse and heart attack, the next thing usekhaya. Amtshele ukuthi hayi bathi usekhaya. And then he asked to go and visit. Wavela wancamula ucingo uMbongeni. And then uSanele sees ubona uma wakhe umtshele ukuthi yazi I feel bad. Ayobona ukuthi iphutha lami vele nami I feel bad, I should have been there. I've been saying some really harsh things to you. I don't know what's going on if you didn't leave or if you didn't survive. Umakhumalo is like, I don't worry about that. Ngikhona ngiyaphila. That's what we should be grateful for. And then asehleli njalo kungena Untanzi noMbongeni. Untanzi is there to see Umakhumalo. Avela casuke uSanele athi uzoyenzani la? What is this man doing here? Untanzi achaze-ke ukuthi I'm here to see ukuthi uma wakho right here and just want to see if she's okay. Athi yazini ma ungena kanjani umuntu la yathi abantu bazenzela. uMbongeni naye act as if akazi ukuthi kwenzakalani. And says bazenzela la. Umakhumalo then decides ukuthi yazini, can you just give us space? But uSanele was like, hey, liyeza langa lakho wena, your day is coming. Because Untanzi noSanele, they don't get along at all. And then Untanzi sits lapha to visit Umakhumalo, saying I've been through a lot in my life and I've never been this scared ever. Ungithusile ngempela, that really scared me. And actually, how did it go in the hospital and all that? Umakhumalo advised the whole hospital conversation because she never went to the hospital, saying Guti she just wanted to come home at and says Guti this whole situation just reminded her of who's important. Because Untanzi was just thanking her for allowing him to come and visit her. And then Umakhumalo makes Untanzi believe that making him a bit soft. And then Lethokuhle continues to and he gets more money from this lady in the name of Lethokuhle. So Lethokuhle decides he's going to go and search room kaLungelo. But uMambele says ukuthi you can't do that. Let's give him benefit of the doubt. Awuphume nje room laLungelo wena Lethokuhle. Simthembeni umntwana. uLungelo continues to take pictures and videos of Lethokuhle. Lethokuhle gets annoyed and says, what is it that you're hiding? So into ifihlayo. But uLungelo is like, now when I just jealous because I bought things that you have never bought for the family. Athi mina nginomona. Then he started fighting uLungelo. Baze bahlukaniswa usiswabo ethi hey niyenzani ayikela into eniyenzayo and stop them. But Lethokuhle is furious saying yazi ngizokubulala wena athi yini ngempela uzanithembisana ukubulala ningabafowenu. Achubeke uLungelo ngento yakhe. This girl uZodwa now wants to come to Durban on a vacation so that he can see uLethu. The next thing she sends 20K to Lungelo. Angasajabulanga Lungelo. Now Lungelo is offering the family ukuthi yena he wants to pay for umsebenzi celebration of life kaNkosinathi. Umndeni wakhe is shocked ukuthi hayi man ngiyayizwa leyo, but indaba ukuthi you want to buy a cow uyithenga ngani ngoba inkomo is expensive. Athi yani ngikholwa ngizoyithenga inkomo wonke nje the life ukuthi hayi unamahlaya lo, how can he afford a cow? Avela ngene uLethokuhle enosenzo ke to tell the whole family what he's been doing, what Lungelo has been doing. Athi wena uzothenga inkomo uthenga ngemali ye-fraud. Hayi avela thuke uLungelo, seeing that he's busted. Athi nangu uSenzo la is going to explain what Lungelo has been doing. He's been taking pictures of me, posting them online and getting money from women under my name. Hayi umndeni wakhe ushocked ukuthi uthi wenzeni. They so shocked ukuthi hawu Lungelo wenza kanjani into enjena. uLungelo aphika athi hayi man uLutho Kuhle is just still sabdekile nje ngendaba yokushona kaNkosinathi. He's not okay, he's not well. Lento ayikhulumayo isiqiniso, right Senzo? And if you are innocent ke, bring your phone, just go through your phone and see ukuthi ngempela you are innocent. Anqabe abazali bakhe bathi awubeka ifoni etafuleni ndoda babakhe noma wakhe athi ngiyaqala boy beka ifoni etafuleni. He refused. He decided, you know what, there's no way out here. He just decided to run. Avela baleke uLungelo bavele bathi hey just clear ukuthi now what they're saying is true. And then let's talk about when I get Senzo obatshele, tell them the whole story of what Lungelo has been doing. Yo, what a mess. I wonder how he's going to get around repaying all the money to the people that he's been scamming. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.